Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Lawrence, and today we are going to take a look at the generic branded Chinese pop-up tent I bought from Amazon. We're going to see how long the setup and takedown time is, the construction quality. We're going to run through water tests and see if this tent is right for you. So the first thing you'll notice is this logo. Does that look familiar to you? How about now? That's right, my friend originally thought it was from REI. It looks just like REI. And maybe they did that on purpose to make it look more trustworthy to you. At 7.5 pounds, this pop-up tent may be a little too heavy for backpacking trips. However, when you compare the footprint to this Lightspeed sun shelter that I have, it's almost 70% its size. So we have a better footprint and just as easy as a installation and pop-up and takedown. Alright guys, I'm going to set this up and we're going to have the timing rolling right down here somewhere. Let's see how long this takes. And there we go. We're done. So the first thing you'll notice is the rainfly is actually below the poles. So that's kind of weird because I can see water accumulating right here. Usually the rainfly is above the poles. Here's a quick walk around of the tent. It's got 2 doors. And here's the inside. It fits about a family of 3 comfortably. And if you're a broke college student, maybe 4 or 5 people in here. I also noticed that the airflow is not that good because we only have 2 windows up here and a really small door window right here. So if you're camping in really hot climates, you can't remove the rainfly because the rainfly is actually attached to the tent. And this is actually a sun shelter as well if you remove all of these little clips here. But I'm not going to attempt to do that. That's going to take a little too long for me. That's going to be a lot longer than the setup and takedown of this tent. Alright guys, at this time I'm going to set up the Lightspeed sun shelter and we're going to compare it side by side. I think these two are comparable because this is very popular. It's sold at Costco. It's got tons of reviews on Amazon. So a lot of families will be buying this, including myself. And there we go. It's about the same setup time, I want to say. This is a lot more flimsy. You guys make a decision for yourselves. I think if you're going to buy one of this, might as well pay a little bit more on Amazon and get this Chinese branded pop-up tent. You don't have to buy the fake REI version. You can buy basically 10 other different brands. So I found takedown to be relatively easy as well. That's very important because when you're setting up and putting things away, you want to save time with your family. There we go guys, open and close in less than a minute. Wasn't too bad. Alright, this time we're gonna have Michael help me with the water test. I'll be inside and he'll have the gun. Okay, this test is too easy. Yeah, the water is holding up, so we're gonna switch to a bigger gun. Pressure gun. Oh, it's coming through. Guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The tent obviously survived the water test. Some water did go through the zippers, and that's understandable. You should consider this tent over the other pop-up tents because this one is a little bit more sturdy, and it's great to use around the house, great to use inside, outside, in the backyard, and car camping. This tent sees a lot more use than my other Coleman tents just because the setup and takedown is less than 1 minute as you've seen in today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and have a good day.